Today also we are going to join you with whom?
Vinudi.
Vinudi. Yes, today also we are going to draw a new picture with you. Okay. Alright, let's see now what we are going to draw with Vinudi. What? Huh?
Tweety bird.
Tweety bird. Most of you told that you love to draw some cartoon characters, so therefore we selected Tweety bird. So, Vinudi, shall we start to draw then now?
Okay.
Okay, we don't want to take much time on this, so then we are going to draw beautiful Tweety bird. Okay, right. So, first we'll draw. It has big eyes, right? So, right, we'll start with that. And okay, draw two lines like this. Okay, right? Okay, and then after that, we can draw its eyes like this. Okay, big, huge eyes. Okay, and this side also same as like that. Okay, right? And after that, we can extend the lines like this. Yes. After that, you see, we can continue the eyes like this. So, and once we draw, you know that we have to draw it parallelly like this, right? And we can then color the balls in black. And after that, we can draw a big eyelashes. See here, right? Okay. And now it's done. Yes. Okay. And after that, we can put two dots in those two sides, and then now we are going to draw that huge head like this. Okay, see? Yeah. Oh, wow, good. Okay, and after that, we are going to draw the mouth like this. Okay, with another one curve, and from the other side also another curve in its face. So don't forget to draw them parallelly. Okay, and after that, like this. Okay, this is the neck, right? Good, very good. And after that, we can give the small cute mouth like this. We can draw like this. Okay. And we can draw those two lines, and now we can make it more beautiful like this, the mouth. Yes, okay. Right, and after that, okay, then we can draw a small part here. We can add some small parts to the neck, and you know that the below you must have the space, and then we continue these type of lines here. Okay, and after that, around this area, we can start to draw the body and with the stomach, right? See here the part of the stomach. Okay, right. Yes. After that, we can continue the hand like this, and okay, to this side. Yeah, so he's keeping the hands behind. Yes, okay. And after that, we are going to draw the trouser, a kind of a trouser like this. Okay, right? And then like this, and from here like this, two lines. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then we can draw two legs like this. Yes. And then another line like this to the leg. Yes. And then for its feet. Yes, like this. Okay. See here, kind of a big manner. You can draw like that. Yes. And after that, here, so it indicates the fingers. Yes. Now what we are lacking? The tail. Okay. Beautiful tail. Yes. Okay. Right. So here still that a piece of hair. Yes. Some parts yes. And then we can draw the eyebrows also. Yeah. Right. Right. Now, shall we color this? Okay. Now we are going to color this. So now we completed who?
The Tweety Bird.
Tweety Bird. Okay, now see whether it's beautiful. Yes, well, so we discussed about many cartoons, like how to draw the cartoons in our YouTube channel. So you can go to our YouTube channel, and what do we have to do?
You can go to our YouTube channel and like it, subscribe, and also comment to us.
Yeah, that's right. You can comment on us, and also you can come like her to join our program,
Yeah.
right? Okay, now we're going to leave and promise to join you with another new video. Okay? Bye.